Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get a voice changer on Meta Quest 2, Quest 3, or Quest 3S. Let's get started. First, the Meta Quest headset do not support a voice changer apps directly on the website, so you have two working methods. The method one is to use the voice changer through the PC. This gives you a cleanest and the easiest result. First, install the voice changer on your PC and download one of these. You can download the voice mode, clownfish, or more. And install and open the app and connect your Quest to your PC. You can use or connect using the USB-C cable or the AirLink or wireless. Now your headset is running PC VR. And inside the voice changer app, the input device is your headset microphone, while the output device is to set the voice mode virtual microphone. Test a voice effect so you should hear a voice change too and open the VR game. Go to audio settings and change microphone input into a voice mode virtual mic. Now everyone hears the modified voice instead of your real one. Your voice is now changed in VR. And lastly, the method two is using the phone and hardware for standalone Quest. This is more complicated and needs to go extra gear. You need to pick the voice effect that you want, and you must send a mic audio from your phone into the Quest through the USB-C audio interface that supports the microphone input. Not all adapters work. It must support external mic detection. And some USB-C audio device helps or allows the Quest to detect them as a headset mic. If successful, your altered phone voice becomes a headset microphone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.